Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia has said that he is confident India will overtake Germany to become the world's third largest economy by the end of 2027. He credited the centre's policy push as well as institutional reforms for this growth. Now, Scindia, in fact, was speaking at the VAIF Bharat Summit 2025 in Indore, which is organized by the Young Entrepreneurs Forum Bharat. Here he invoked India's historical economic strength, saying that the country was once known as the Golden Bird, accounting for nearly 20% of the global GDP around 2,000 years ago. Now, he said that under Prime Minister Modi's leadership, India is now reclaiming that position on the global stage. Highlighting the scale of India's economic rise, the Union Minister said that the country moved from the 10th place to 4th place in the global economy in just over a decade, overtaking Japan along the way. He added that India has already surpassed a nation that ruled it for nearly 200 years, underlining what he called the country's resilience and perseverance. Scindia also said that this determination has helped India grow from a $2.3 trillion economy to a $4.5 trillion economy, while laying the foundation for becoming a major global manufacturing hub.
तो भारत 12 साल पहले विश्व की 10वीं बड़ी आर्थिक शक्ति थी। आज वही भारत 12 साल बाद विश्व की 4थी बड़ी आर्थिक शक्ति के रूप में उभर चुकी है। तालियां थोड़ी कम बजी। मैं जानता हूं वो पुराना मोहन यादव जी स्मृति साहब ऐड होता था पेप्सी का, दिल मांगे मोर। 2027 के अंत तक हम लोग अभी जापान को पीछे छोड़ के विश्व की 4थी बड़ी आर्थिक शक्ति बन चुके हैं। 2027 के अंत तक हम जर्मनी को भी पीछे छोड़ के विश्व के 3री बड़ी आर्थिक शक्ति के रूप में उभर जाएंगे। और जो देश हमारे ऊपर 200 साल राज करने की कोशिश कर रहा था, उस देश को प्रधानमंत्री जी ने पीछे छोड़कर भारत को आर्थिक विकास की प्रगति की दौड़ में आगे बढ़ा दिया।